What's up, y'all? My name's Dave. I'm a financial advisor. I'm here to help you secure your future financial stability and therefore your freedom to live your life. Quick disclaimer, this is free financial advice. Please follow it at your own discretion and don't sue me. Thank you. So, why is investing so important? Well, to put it bluntly, it is the key to financial stability or freedom, right? And that's largely due to inflation. If you don't know what inflation is, then I encourage you to Google it to get a more comprehensive definitions. But in short, things get more expensive over time, as I'm sure you've noticed. So the money in your bank account is not only stagnating, it's losing real value, right? It's losing its ability to give you financial freedom because stuff's getting more expensive and it's not going anywhere, right? But I want to take a deeper dive into one particular area of inflation, the housing market, right? A huge part of most people's dreams is to own their own house because they don't want to be renting for forever. But unfortunately, as some of you may know, home prices have been far outpacing wages for the past few decades by now. This map shows the difference between home prices and wages across the US. And all of these pink triangles you're seeing are all the counties in which home prices have been raising higher than wages, right? And this graph only shows from 2010 to 2022, but this problem has been systemic for much longer than that. One study I found proved that median home prices have increased 121% nationwide since 1960, while median household income only increased by 29%. So that means the price of a house is outpacing the rise of wages by over 4 times, right? We are getting priced out of our ability to buy a home. And that's why we're seeing so many articles or memes about millennials not owning homes, right? They're getting priced out by boomers that have been growing their wealth for decades. And how do we close that gap? Well, you can see from this map, it's clear wages are not enough, right? We need another way to make money that isn't going to take up all of our time, right? And investing is how we do that. Investing is how we make money without putting any more active effort into making money. And how effective is investing, you might ask? Is it actually going to provide me the financial stability you're selling? Well, I just want to show you one graph. So this investment, which if you want to learn more about, check the description below for a Linktree to the rest of my YouTube videos. I talk about this one a lot. This investment over the past 10 years would have turned your 10K into 33K. Since this investment was first created in 1974, it would have turned 10K into 1.4 million, right? And this graph you're looking at is exactly why boomers are outpricing millennials out of houses. It's simply because they're older and have been investing for longer, their wealth's been growing at this rate, right? When us younger folk haven't been alive enough for our investments to grow like this, right? So investing is clearly important, but why is it so important to start now? Well, we need to start the process of letting your money make you money as soon as possible. And most importantly, you need to start investing now because later you're going to be busy with more pressing but less important stuff, right? There's this huge myth that you need a lot of money to start investing, when in reality you need as little as $5. If you check the description below for my video on how to start investing, I'll talk about a company that will allow you to invest for as little as $5 at a time. And it will take only 30 minutes of your time to watch that video and then set up your investment account, right? Now is your opportunity to start building your financial stability while you're watching this video, while this is on your mind, and not eventually when you'll forget, right? I can't tell you how many clients I've seen that are in their 40s and 50s, great career, making a lot of money, but they haven't been investing. And now they're playing catch up on the past 30 years because they've missed out on all of this, right? Ultimately, every starting point is a good starting point and the most important point to start. But that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, like I mentioned before, check the description below for my link tree with the rest of my YouTube videos. If you want to receive updated investment advice relevant to the stock market today, then fill out the Google form in the description and mark that you want to be added to my newsletter. If you want free personalized financial advice, fill out that same Google form and add me to your investment account as a view only role. It will allow me to see, but not actually do anything with your account, so I can give you free personalized financial advice. If you're unsure how to add me as an authorized viewer, then call the customer support phone number for your brokerage firm. I'm sure they'll be happy to help you out. And you may be wondering, why am I offering financial advice for free? Well, in 20 years, when you've made your money from this free investment advice and you're looking for a financial advisor to provide you more comprehensive assistance, I want to be the first person you think of, and I look forward to embarking on that journey with you. But that's everything from me. Congratulations on starting your journey towards your financial freedom, and I'll see you next time.